With great pleasure, we shall now introduce you today slow motion replay system Envivo Replay. First of all, we will introduce Variant Systems Group, then Envivo Replay, and finally a demonstration. The next slide shows the vision of Variant Systems Group. Variant Systems Group is the manufacturer of Envivo Replay. When the team found the Variant Systems Group, the goal of the company was to improve the workflow in live sports and replay systems and to develop a replay system that anyone can use off the shelf. This is why they developed the Envivo Replay, which we are presenting today. On the next slide, we would like to introduce the team of the Variant Systems Group. They have more than 25 to 30 years of experience working for broadcasters and broadcast equipment manufacturers. The company was founded in 2017, so they are a very new company. In 2019, 4A became a distributor and started sales and support. In 2020, the 12G SDI model has been released. As mentioned earlier, Variant Systems Group is an American company, so its main users are American companies. They also have experience in Guatemala, Saudi Arabia, and Albania. In the US, Major League Soccer uses 7 sets of Envivo Replay to provide highlights and replays throughout the season. Of course, it is not only used in football, but also in the famous NBA, and now in Japan for sports as slow playback and VAR, and currently 8 systems are used in Japan. Let us introduce Envivo Replay. Envivo Replay is a replay system that VSG offers as a turnkey solution. The application is pre-installed so that it can be used straight out of the case. 2 models are available for Envivo Replay: 3G SDI model and 12G SDI model. Each model is available with either 6 inputs and 2 outputs, or 4 inputs and 2 outputs. Envivo Replay supports multi-formats, as shown here. It also supports video input with mixed video formats. Of course, pre-generated clips can be imported as well as an export. It also supports super slow motion up to 4 times speed. As for audio, Envivo Replay supports not only SDI embedded, but also Dante with option. Envivo Replay can record its input for 40 hours with loop recording as standard, which is expandable up to 176 hours with option. The first and foremost reason why customers have introduced Envivo Replay is its ease of use. It can be operated just like a smartphone or tablet PC, making it very easy to use, especially for the younger generation. Import and export of files and logo overlays are also easy, and clips can be posted directly to social networking services, which is expected to simplify an operation. Furthermore, as replay systems are often used in OB vans, the compactness and easiness of carry with a dedicated carry case is an advantage of Envivo Replay. Other features such as super slow motion replay support and automatic input and output detection have led to the system being used in a number of fields, including basketball, baseball, ice hockey, football, horse racing, and university sports. The system is equipped with GPUs and uses GPU clusters, which means that multiple GPUs are used to perform real-time processing without rendering, thus reducing the load on the CPU while achieving high-speed processing. By the way, Envivo Replay has already been implemented as mentioned in VSG's introductory slide. The actual operation and functions of Envivo Replay will be shown in the demonstration that follows, but before that, we will briefly introduce the GUI and main functions. The small screens at both ends show the input video, and the two large screens in the middle show the output video. You can create a replay video on the screen, which is basically completed in just 3 steps. First, we specify the in point and the out point, and finally tap the add clip, which saves the cutout recording as a clip on the clip list called bin. These can be operated using a touch screen, so you can create a replay video with just one finger. Logos can be combined with input and output video using a graphic overlay. Supported formats are PNG and JPEG. The position, size, and transparency can be set, and the position and size can be operated using the touch panel. Created replay footage can be instantly distributed to SNS. Find plays can be instantly shared, which will strongly contribute to enrich the fan service. You can choose contents to post to SNS from still image, clip, and playlist. Envivo Replay supports Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. These are the main specifications of Envivo Replay. Detailed format and other figures are given in the catalog, so we will not cover them today. In summary, Envivo Replay is a turnkey solution from VSG. The app is pre-installed for immediate use upon delivery. Envivo Replay is easy to introduce because it feels like a tablet and you can quickly get used to its operation. We have heard that customers who are familiar with the operation of replay systems were able to learn how to use in less than an hour. Not only is it easy to use, but it also offers a full range of functions, such as loop recording support, automatic input and output format detection, and the ability to use network formats such as Dante and NDI. Furthermore, the ease of use of the file import and export, logo branding, and SNS posts are the great advantage. It is easily portable and suitable for use in OV bands in this way. Envivo Replay has been well received by users as a next-generation replay system with a wealth of functions that are easy to learn. This is a brief introduction to Envivo Replay. We would now like to present a brief roadmap. From the top, we will be able to share replays, playlists, and recordings on the network. After that, we are planning to add post-roll and multi-viewer outputs. Currently, up to 2 outputs can be displayed, but in the future, up to 7 will be possible. And next is pan zoom. It will be able to easily zoom in on clips and other objects you have created. Next is keyboard shortcuts. As it is Windows-based, you can use multiple Windows shortcuts. For example, you can use Ctrl-C or Ctrl-V, but we plan to add other Windows shortcuts in the future. The 12G SDI version has a maximum of 4 inputs and 2 outputs, but a version of 6 inputs and 2 outputs is planned for release. Finally, a new dedicated controller will also be released. This concludes our introduction. Next, we'll show the demonstration of Envivo Replay.